Hello guys, so we are going to Rani Bagh. So we are traveling through Lal Bagh Bridge. So we have just taken a halt at Lal Bagh's gate. So yeah, you can just see the people around me. You can see the people around me, what they are doing. They're taking a halt here and just capturing the photo of this beautiful Lal Bagh gate. And yeah, now we are gonna go to Rani Bagh, and of course I'm gonna show you the view there as well. So stay tuned. So this is where the Ganesh idol will be seated, and yeah, let me just show you the view of the downside. Where take a look. This is the Lal Bagh area, and this is the main gate of Lal Bagh. So guys, we have taken a stop here because it has started raining, and we are just 1 minute away from the Rani Bagh. But we cannot go, it's raining now, and it has started raining heavily. So yeah, guys, we have reached the Rani Bagh, and we have also taken the ticket. So it's just 25 rupees for children and 50 rupees for adult, and they also have a museum so at this gate. So let me just show you the museum as well. The museum, you also need to buy a ticket for this. So I don't know whether we are going to go inside this or not, but we are going to definitely go right here. This is the place, this is the entrance of the Rani Bagh. We have entered the Rani Bagh and we are going right inside. So guys, this is the place where elephant used to be, but now there is no more elephant. So my friend is saying that they have gone to Vantara, I don't know. And yeah, there is this board, I am coming soon. I have been seeing this board for 5 years, and lion has not come yet. I don't know when it will be there. Now we are gonna go to see tiger. Let's see. So this is the first animal that we are seeing. This is the sloth bear. It seems like he's dancing. So guys, this is the place where the tiger is kept. So I've come here many times, but I've never been fortunate enough to get a glimpse of the tiger. Let's see if I am lucky to see a tiger today. See the crowd here. So guys, so far we have seen two animals. One is sloth bear and the other is tiger. Let me just tell you the reason why we are here. So we have come here to create content. So he is my friend Suraj. He has recently started a YouTube channel. He has only uploaded 2 videos and he has got 64 subscribers, and those are all genuine subscribers. And he is also showing iPhone because he's taken iPhone for video only, to create vlogs. So they also have this small cafe inside the Rani Bagh where you can have snacks, and let me just tell you one thing, that you cannot take anything inside, eatable things inside. So you'll have to eat here if you are hungry. So guys, here's the hippopotamus. We cannot see it because it's taking a bath inside the water. Guys, we have Kunali with us. Hey Vansh! So here we are at the monkey zone. So now we're gonna get to see a lot of monkeys. Guys, we are now at deer section. Let me just show you the deers. Now we are heading to the penguin session, and yeah, we're gonna see the penguin. So here's the penguin, guys. This area is fully air conditioned. So guys, there is one more cafeteria in the Rani Bagh. So this is right beside the penguin zone, and we are going to see what is there in store. So here's the cafeteria. It's a big cafeteria. You can have all the snacks there. Everything available here.
Hi, this is we are eating now.
So guys, this is the place where crocodiles were kept, but there are no more crocodiles, so that's why they are not allowing us to go inside. The place is closed. So guys, now we are gonna see the aqua birds. So guys, we are out of the Rani Bagh. You can see the public over there. So yeah, we got to see different type of animals, though we did not get to see crocodile, leopard and a lot more, but we got to see a different type of birds and all. And yeah, it was a good experience for me creating this vlog, because the only reason we came here to create a vlog. And yeah, I had a good time creating vlog, something new, getting a lot of confidence to speak in public in English. So yeah, thank you for watching, keep supporting guys.